Let's learn ABC a new way. A for AI, artificial intelligence. B for blockchain. C for coding. D for drone. E for e-commerce. F for fiber optics. G for gaming. H for hologram. I for internet. J for Java. K for keyboard. L for laser. M for machine learning. N for NFT. O for online. P for podcast. Q for quantum computing. R for robot. S for smartphone. T for tablet. U for USB. V for virtual reality. W for Wi-Fi. X for X-ray. Y for YouTube. Z for Zoom.
Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.